This quick guide shows a MacBook Pro screen conversion in 1 minute. Here's the before. Step 1. Power down, unplug, and work on a soft, static-free surface. Step 2. Gather tools, pentalobe screwdriver, suction cup, spudger, and the replacement screen. Step 3. Remove the bottom screws carefully and place them in an organized tray. Pry the display assembly open slowly using a suction cup and spudger. Disconnect the display cables gently and note each connector's position. Step 4. Unscrew the display brackets and lift up the old screen carefully. Step 5. Position the new screen, align brackets, and reconnect the cables. Secure the brackets and tighten screws to a firm but gentle torque. Close the case, reinstall bottom screws, then power on to test the display. Before and after, the display is now clear, bright, and fully functional. Tip: avoid force, label every screw, and discharge static frequently. Tools checklist appears now. Thanks for watching.